Hello friends, welcome to me and math. Hello friends from grade 3 and 4, welcome to me and math. Come on, hope other friends are joining. Okay, whoever is joining, send me a good morning with your name. Good morning, Sugyani, but you have to send along with your name. I know you join from your parents' accounts and all. Join, write, write good morning along with your name because I am wishing all of you a very, very good morning. Swadhin, yes, I remember from last week. Good morning, Swadhin. Anybody else? Who else is joining? A very, a very very good morning to all of you from me. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. A good morning to everybody from my side. Good morning to everybody from my side. Come on, send me a good morning along with your name so that I know who is joining us, who are our friends who are joining us. Swadhin is here. Who else is here? Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. In this next 1 hour, we'll be solving your questions on geometry. We'll continue from where we left last week. So, come on, guys. Hi, Pavika. Good morning. Good morning, Pavika. Anyone else who is joining us this beautiful morning? Hope you guys had your breakfast and now you're ready to join and you're ready to have some fun with me here on this Me and Math YouTube Live. We'll be solving some maths questions in a fun way, okay? While being interactive on our live. So, Pavika Swadhin, a very good morning. Others will be joining us soon, I think. So, let's start. So, I think we've waited enough. I think we shall start now. Okay, more friends are joining. Anybody who is joining, send a good morning. Lavanya, good morning, Lavanya. So what the rule today is, I'll make a rule. So because good morning Abhishek. So whoever sends me the answer, so whoever sends me the answer has to send the answer like if it is option B or option C or option D. Along with that option, hi Arohi, good morning, a very good morning to you. So what you have to do is along with the option, you also have to write your name, your real name. Okay, the student's name should be the answer. For example, if the correct answer is option B, you write B and you write with it Arohi, or B and you write with it Lavanya, or B you write with it Pavika or Swadhin. Okay, like that. So whatever the right answer is this time, I have made a new rule. You won't get the points if you don't write your name along with your option. Okay, is that all right? Yeah. Okay, let's start with the first question. Okay, so the first question says, everybody, now pay attention. Swadhin, Pavika, Lavanya, Arohi, all of you, and all of our other students who have joined. Let's see. The question says that Ria has 8 clay balls and 12 toothpicks. So there are clay balls and toothpicks. These are your clay balls, and these are your toothpicks which are joining them. Okay, so there are 8 clay balls and 12 toothpicks. She She made a shape having six faces. Which of the following shapes she made? So, if she had eight clay balls and 12 toothpicks, you guys tell me which shape did she make? Okay, easy question. So what we have is that she has eight clay balls and 12 toothpicks, and she made a shape having six faces. So whoever is sending the answer, send the answer like A, B, C, D along with your name. With the option, you have to write your name also, so that I understand who is sending it. Okay, I think my voice is audible for others, Pavika, because I am able to see it also. It is good enough. You try to increase your volume. Yeah, I can check my voice also here. My voice is okay. Okay, so Gyani, you didn't write your name. I know you are Swadhin, but you have to write B Swadhin like that. So Gyani Patel, you have to write B Swadhin like that. Anukumari, you didn't write your name along with your option. Only Arohi, listen to me. What I was trying to say. B. B, everybody is saying B, but you guys are not writing your name with it. Kindly write your name with it also. So B Pavika, good. B Arohi, Arohi and Pavika have answered B. So have Swadhin and Lavanya, but they have not written their name. They have not written their name. Swadhin and Pavika. Try to write your. Sorry, Pavika has written, but Lavanya has not written. So B, everybody. Yes, very good. B Swa. You can write Swadhin only. You don't need to write Patel because there will be other questions. So B Swadhin, who was the first to answer. Arohi has also said B. Pavika has also said B. Okay. And Lavanya has also said B, who hasn't written her name. But this time, this is the last time let her, I'll give the points to her. So that let it be. But next time, write the name with the answer also. So everybody is saying B. So I guess B should be correct. So what is happening here in okay, option B, Arya. Well done. Arya has also given the right answer. So I think B should be the right answer because see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the clay balls are 8 and the toothpicks are 4 on the front side of the cube, 4 at the back side, okay, and 1, 2, 3, and 4 to join them. So 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12 indeed. So 12 toothpicks and there are 8 clay balls. And the cube, as you know, has 6 faces. So I think B should be the correct answer, as all of you are saying. And B is indeed the correct answer. So a big thumbs up from me to all of you guys. Okay, two thumbs up. So that's well begun by all of you. Similarly, let's move on to the next question. Okay, find the mirror image of the given figure. Okay, now you have to find the mirror image. It's similar to the question from last week. Similar to the question from last week. So you give me the option along with your name. Option along with your name. So you know it will form an inverted image. Everything will be in the opposite side of the mirror. Your if you see yourself in the mirror, your right hand becomes your left hand in the mirror, isn't it? So keep that principle in mind and try to find the answer. Come on, guys, tell me. Who is first? Tell me the option along with the name. Option along with the name. Okay, D Swadhin was first, and then D Arya, and Ayat B Ayat. Ayat is saying B, but Swadhin is saying D, Arya is saying D, and Ayat is saying B. Anybody else? Pavika is saying D. Very good. Everybody is writing the answer with the name. Very good. Well done, Pavika. Ayat is saying B, Arya is saying D, Aro is saying C. Oh, it is totally inverted. Okay, I think I think we have a bit of a confusion here. So, but most of you are saying D, isn't it? Swadhan is saying D, Arya is saying D, Pavika is saying D. But Ayat is saying B and Arohi is saying C. So there is a bit of confusion. Now let's check. If you remember what I was speaking to you last week, I think most of you were there. Okay, Arya is now saying D. Okay, Aro is saying C. Lavanya is saying D. Very good, very good. But let's check it, which should be the correct answer. Most of you are saying D, but let's check if it is correct. So this B, Y, O, U, this U is completely inverted. It is in the opposite direction. It is flipped. A mirror doesn't flip you. When you look at the mirror, does it flip you? I don't think so. So I don't think this should be the correct answer. Similarly, option C cannot be here because it is completely flipped. When you look at yourself in the mirror, you are not upside down. Your head doesn't go to your bottom, does it? So I don't think this should be there. Now the correct option, and this also is inverted. This option, everything has changed direction, like left has become right. It has become left has become right. Okay, it has become taken an opposite sense. So y has become hi Sanya, Saina, you have to write your name, your real name whenever you answer, like your classmates from above. Ayat is also saying D now. So so this YOU, this D option, which most of you are saying, this part has come here. This part has gone to the opposite, yes, correct. And this YOU has become Y on the right side. This has come here and this has gone there. Okay, so left has become right, right has become left, but and nothing has just flipped. Okay, so I think D is the correct answer. Let's check D. D is indeed the correct answer. Very good. Saina. Okay. Hi, Saina. Come on. Answer the rest of the question. So D is indeed the right answer. You guys, most of you guys have got it correct, and others also understood and wrote corrected their answer. So well done to you guys. A big thumbs up. Well done. So you guys have got the correct answer. Okay, that is great. Moving on to the next question. Okay, so this might take a bit of time. Yeah, Ayat, well done. I saw your option. You said D. So, but I know you guys will still do it quickly. So tell me how many triangles are there in the given figure? Should be easy enough for you guys. How many triangles are there in the given figure? Is it 20, 18, 16, or 21? Tell me, guys. Come on, guys. You just have to count the number of triangles in the figure without missing any. There are some hidden triangles, there some are difficult to look at, but there are triangles. Okay, Saina is saying B, Aroh is saying B, Arohi B, Arya is saying B, well done. Who else is saying B? So lots of B's I am getting for this question. You just have to find figures with three corners and three sides. Those are triangles, isn't it? So you have to see how many triangles are there. For example, this is a triangle. Should be easy enough for you. So this is a triangle, this one. This is a triangle, this one. Okay. There are triangles inside this blue figure here. So Swadhin is saying B, Arya is saying B, Arohi is saying B, Saina B. So most of you are saying B. Let's count. Let's count. So this is one, this is two. The eyes are shaped in a triangle, so three, four. This is five. The hands are in shape of a triangle, six, seven. And there are triangular buttons of his shirt, of this figure's shirt. So five plus two is seven, eight, nine, 10. Few of them are triangles, two are circles, but three are triangles, so 10. And then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So I think 18, that is B, is the correct answer, as most of you guys have, um, as most of you guys are saying. Okay, so should we click on B? I think so. I think B should be the correct answer. So B is the correct answer. Well done. Very good. Pavika was saying C, but I don't think it was C. It was 18, 16. There were more than 16. There were 18. I just counted, so it should be 18. Okay. Sorry. Okay. So the next question. Yeah, Anukumari, you didn't write your name. I think you have to write Lavanya with it. Study the following figure and fill in the blanks. There are dash standing, dash slanting, and dash horizontal lines in the given figure. So, how many standing, slanting, and horizontal lines are there in the figure? Tell me. Standing line means standing line, which is straight. Slanting line means which is slanting. And then, which line is there? Horizontal. Horizontal means like this, in this direction. Horizontal is this line. Then, this is the slanting, and this is the standing. Like steeper. So tell me in this figure how many standing, slanting, and horizontal lines are there? Tell me. Come on, you guys. The option. I want the option along with the name. You guys know. I want the option along with the name. Oh, Swadan says D. So he thinks there are two standing, 23 slanting, and six horizontal lines. Swadan says D. So look, this is a horizontal line. This is a horizontal line. The triangle bases inside it are horizontal. So five I can find here only. Then which is a horizontal line? I think the top of the stick is a horizontal line, isn't it? So it should be six. You are correct. Swadan has said D. Anybody else? Abhishek, that is Arohi, is saying B. Anybody else? How many standing lines are there? One, two. You find any other standing line there? Arohi says B, Swadhin says D. Anybody else? I can see six horizontal lines. One, two, as I just said. Sina says D. So one, two, and the bases of these triangles are three, four, five, and the sixth one is the top of this stick, flower stick. Okay. So Sina says D. Swadhin says D. Arohi says B. So there are six horizontal lines, correct? But there are only two standing lines, I think. So one and two. Two standing lines are there. So 2 and 6 are correct. So it should be one of C and D. So are there 20 slanting lines or 23 standing lines? Sina says D. Arya says A, but I just counted six six. So only two standing lines. So I don't think that should be A. Pavika says C. Okay, Arya says D again. He has corrected his answer, or she has corrected her answer. So Pavika says C. So let me count. So I already counted horizontal lines are six, like I showed you. Then uh, counted standing lines. Yeah, Rohit, it's a triangle in there, but the triangle contains a horizontal line. You have to, count that as a horizontal. And the triangle is made up of three lines, but one line is horizontal. Two others are slanting. You have to count those in slanting. Okay. So the confusion is there are two standing lines and six horizontal lines. Lavanya says D, Ayat says D. So the slanting lines are one, two, three in each triangle. Here, one, two, three, four, five. Three fives are 15 in this triangle or every line is a slanting line, so 15 in here. Then 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here, 2 threes are 6 is 21. And this is also a slanting line here, so 23. I think D is indeed the correct. Okay, Arya. Okay, okay. I was a bit confused. Okay, Arya. Arya is a boy. So let's check option D, and option D is indeed correct. Well done, guys. Well done. Well done. You guys concentrated and you guys got the answer correct in the end. In spite of some confusion, in the end, you got the answer. Okay? Well done. So the next question. Three types of coffee packing are available in a shop. If Tanya wants to buy a coffee packing with cylindrical shape, then which of the following packings can she buy? So we need to find the cylindrical shape in this question, the cylindrical shapes. So this question should be done quickly. I think you guys tell me which of the following figures of X, Y, and Z are cylinders. Hi Adarsh. Good morning. So which one are cylinders? Come on, easy one. Swadhin says B. B is Z. Okay. Anybody else? Saina says B. That is Z. Arohi says D. Both X and Z. Okay. Shivani Panda is here. Satvik. Okay, Satvik. You have to write your the answers along with the name. So option D says Arya. That is both X and Z. So there are B's and D. So Saina also says D. Now she has corrected her answer. Okay. So most of you are saying D now. Satvik, you have to write your name along with you. Otherwise, you don't get any points. And you only write the answer once and write your name along with your answer. The option and the name and write it once. Pavika says D. So most of you are saying D. Well done. I also think it's D because this is also a cylinder. So it X and Z both are cylinders. So the option should be both X and Z because it has a circular shape here, circular at the bottom, and it's joined by two straight lines. So it is a Swadhan also says D now. So some of you had jumped the gun and said only Z, but it's not only Z shape. This is also a cylinder, obviously. This one you got correct. Some of you missed this X, but this is also a cylinder. So I think D, both X and Z should be the right answer. Okay, well done. Well done, you guys. Okay, now this question could take a bit of your mind, so concentrate. Okay, so there the question says there is a certain relationship between the pair of figures on either side of this sign, which is the proportionality sign. There So if this figure is to 2, means these two things have a relationship, what will this figure's relationship will be with what number? Okay. So you guys tell me if these two have this relationship, what will this have? So Lavan, okay, it is for the earlier question. I think Ayat B. So Swadhan is saying A for this question. And Shivani Panda, you are not writing your real name along with your option and you are sending too many times. Send it once and write your name. Like A option, if you're saying, write your name along with, like others are doing. So Arohi is saying A, Swadhin is saying A. Anybody else? Option A. Arya is saying also A. So most of you are saying A. Let's check. Let me show you what the the relationship could be. So the exterior or the outer figure has how many sides here? One, two, three, four, five, six. Those of you who couldn't get the answer, so it has six sides. The exterior figure and the interior figure has four sides. So the outer figure has six sides. The inner figure has four sides. So six minus four is two. That is the relationship showing. So the relationship the figure is saying that outer figure minus inner figure is two. Then find the same here. The outer figure is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. I think the answer should be B5, is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 minus 3 is 5. I think B should be the answer. What do you guys say? Are you guys saying A? Let me check A for you guys. Now Swadan is saying B. So let me check A first. All of you were saying A. A is incorrect. Oh, A was incorrect. Most of you were saying A, but now all of you are changing the answer. Satvik is saying B. Swadhin is saying B. Anybody else? Satvik B. Swadhin B. Anybody else who is changing the answer? So I think let's check it. I just showed you that it is interior minus, sorry, exterior or outer figure minus interior figure is 2. Then in here, exterior minus interior is 5, I think. So let me click on 5. B, yes, it is the correct answer. Okay, did you guys get it? So this exterior figure had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides here, and the interior square had 4 sides. So 6 minus 4 is 2. In the other figure, the exterior figure had 8 sides, and the interior, the triangle had 3 sides. So 8 minus 3 should be 5. So B should be the correct answer. Okay. So I think B is the correct answer, and indeed B is the correct answer. So I hope you guys got this one now, how to solve this question. Now, okay, it is similar to the question from the past week. So in which of the following figures the given figure is exactly embedded as one of its parts? Exactly embedded means exactly fits in one of the figures. So you tell me. So you give me the option along with your name. Which one, if this is getting embedded in any of the four figures, this figure is getting exactly embedded in any of the four figures. Give me the option along with the name, along with your name. Come on, you guys, this one should be easy. We did this one last week also. Where does this exactly fit? In which figure does it exactly fit? Option with your name. Option D, Arya. Okay, Arya is first and is saying D. Swadhan is saying D. Arohi is saying D. So Arya was first. Swadhan said D. Arohi said D. Shivani Panda, I think, is again forgetting to write his name. I think is Satvik. D. Arohi is saying D. Satvik now wrote it properly. Satvik D. So most of you are saying D, and I also think it is D, isn't it? Because this here, this figure is exactly getting embedded here like this, isn't it? So if it is getting exactly embedded like here, so that is what the question is asking. Which figure is getting exactly, fit in one of these figures? So this figure is getting exactly fit in this figure or getting overlapped. So D, yes. Everybody, Saina, Anu Kumari, that is Lavanya, everybody, well done. So D is indeed the correct answer. Well done. Very good. So next question. So find the mirror image in the of the given figure. Okay, we did mirror image question earlier also. So everything goes to the opposite side and the and in the opposite sense. Okay, nothing goes upside down. Remember that. So which is the correct option? So the head, I think, and the head and the triangle is correct in every figure of these. It is similar, it is similar, it is similar, it is similar. So you have to concentrate on the interior, these, the red colored shapes. Swadhan is saying B. Anybody else? Now Swadhan is saying A. Anybody else? So everybody goes to the everything goes to the opposite side in the mirror image, isn't it? But doesn't get, Lavanya says D. Okay. Swadhan says A. Anybody else? Arohi says A. Arya says C. Arohi says A. Swadhan says A. Lavanya says D. Arya says C. So most of you are saying A, others are saying C and D. Again, A from Shivani Panda, I think Satvik. Okay, Arya changed it to A. Pavika is saying A also. Very good. So most of you are saying A. Why? Because the head and the foot, this head and the foot went to the opposite side here. Isn't it? It went to the opposite side. These red two images and the yellow semicircle also went to the opposite side, but these two images, see, this is indeed the mirror image of this part, and this is indeed the mirror image of this part. So I think you guys, those who are saying A, should be correct. Let's check. Most of you are saying A. Let's check it. Saina is also saying A. Now A, indeed it is the correct answer. Okay, A is the correct answer. So A, see this, concentrate on this, the small red colored figure inside. This is indeed the mirror image of this, and this is the mirror image of this. If individually you check, these are mirror image, so it is correct. The yellow part also has this, the yellow semicircle, this is the mirror image, and the head is also the mirror image. So A is the correct answer, as it is showing in the presentation also. So A is indeed the correct answer. So next question, easy one. Which one of the following shapes is missing in the given figure? Which one of the following shapes is missing in the given figure? You should be able to do it easily. I know. So is it a square, is it a cone, is it a circle, or is it a cylinder? Which one is missing? I want the option along with your name. Option along with your name. Come on. Okay, Swadhin first. D. Very good. Swadhin is first. Says D. Arya says D. Shivani Panda, that is Satvik, says D. Arya says D. Arohi says D. Meera says D. Meera, good morning. New student has joined. Meera Giridhan says D. Arohi says D. Arya says D. Saina says D. So most of you, and I think everybody is saying D. Nobody has said any other option. So let me check. So this is a cube, this is a cone, this is a square, this is a circle, circle, this is a cone, circle, rectangle, triangle, square. So I also don't see a cylinder. So circle is there, cone is here, so circle is here, square is like here. So if all of these are present, which one is not present? So even if you eliminate, you will see that you will get a cylinder. The cylinder is the option. So we had to find the missing figure, so that is the cylinder. I think it is the correct answer. You guys got it correct. Yes, D Pavika Saina D. Yes, D is indeed the correct answer. Well done. Okay. Now this is a bit tricky. Now you guys tell me how many minimum straight lines are required to draw the given figure. How many minimum straight lines are required to draw the given figure? This figure, check it and check how many straight lines are there. You can zoom into your screens and you can check how many straight lines. Come on, guys, count the straight lines. So I'll give you a hint. So if this straight line starts here, it ends there. So this is counted as one straight line. Again, count like this. If this starts here and ends here, this is counted as one straight line. If this straight line starts here and ends here, this is one straight line. Similarly, this is one straight line. Okay, so these 1, 2, and 3 are three straight lines. Okay, then you count these ones. So 3, 4, then 5, then 6, and then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10, then 11. So 11 I counted. Sorry. Then this one is 12. Okay. Th- then this one is 13. Then this one is 14. Then this one is 15. This one is 16. This one is 17. Okay. This one is 18. This one is 19. Then this is 20. Then this is 21. Then this is 22. Then this is 23 and 24. I think 24 straight lines should be there. What do you guys say? You guys count. Just just keep in mind that this is a single straight line. This one is a single straight line. This this is a single straight line, and this is a single straight line. If you think these three are single straight lines, then you count, I think. Okay, Shivani Panda, or I think option A, Arya says 26. I think Shivani Panda Satvik says C, 24. Arohi says C. Anybody else? Arohi C, Satvik C, Arya, I think, said A. Tejashri says C. Well done, Tejashri. Anybody else? So Pavika says C. Anybody else? I had given you the hint of how to count the straight lines. So it had the question was asking for minimum number of straight lines. So minimum number of straight lines you have to take. If you have to find the minimum, you have to take the longest straight line. So this is a long one, this is a long one, this is a long one, and rest you count. Pavika says C, Tejashri says C, Arohi says C, Satvik says C. Let's check C then. I showed you how to count them. So C, if I C is indeed the correct answer. So I think you don't need to have a confusion. You count from this end to this end, then one, two, then three, then you count the inside ones, then you count these ones, and this straight one, and you will get C, Lavanya. Very good. C, Lavanya also is saying C now. Everybody is saying C, so C is indeed the correct answer after we counted like I taught you. Okay. So okay, this is an easy one now. This should be an easy one because we just did a similar question. You guys have to tell me there is a certain relationship between the pairs of figures on either side of the proportionality sign, and then what happened that identify the relationship between the given pair and find the missing figure. This is an easy question. We just did it. But this time the relationship could be something different. It couldn't be subtraction, it could be something different. So in that case, outer minus inner I did. What do you think? How is 7 figuring in this? So this outside square has 4, inner triangle has 3. In this case, what will happen? Okay, Swadhin says A. Arohi says A. Option A, Arya. Shivani Panda, that is Swatik, says C. Arohi says A, Arya says A, Swadhin says A. So since I'll just give you an share. So Shivani or Swatik changed his answer is saying A, but the square is four-sided and inside the triangle is three-sided. So 4 plus 3 is 7. So indeed, you have to find the addition of the number of sides. So this is five-sided figure outside and four inside. So that is why most of you, Tejashri is saying A, Pavika is saying A, everybody is saying A now. So I think A is indeed the right answer because we have in this case the relationship was because 7 is written here. It means they have added the number of sides of the outer figure to the number of sides of the inner figure. So 7 is to 7 or 7 sides and total number of sides in this figure is 9. I think 9 is the correct answer. Let us check, and 9 is indeed the correct answer. Well done. A big thumbs up, two thumbs up to all of you. You guys did it correctly. Okay, another mirror image coming up. Come on, put some stress on your mind and tell me which one. Which one is the mirror image of the following figure? I told you right becomes left in a mirror. Okay, Swadhan said A. Swadhan is again the first and says A. Tejashri says A is second. Arohi, I think Abhishek says A. Arya says A. Well done. Yes, Arohi A. Tejashri says A. Swadhan says A. Well done, well done. Anybody else who's going to answer? Most of you are saying A because this cap up here has gone to the opposite side and this stick has gone to the left side. It was in the right hand, it has gone to the left hand in the mirror image, so it is correct. And the cap was on the right, it has gone on the left. It cannot be inverted. You don't flip on a mirror image. Pavika is saying A. Very good. Anybody else who wants to answer? I think A is indeed the correct answer. Let's check A. And yes, A is indeed the correct answer. Okay. Very good, you guys. Everybody got this correct. So, big thumbs up from me. Okay. Though it was easy peasy lemon squeezy, but you guys got it correct. Well done. Okay. Now, the missing question. Which one of the following shapes is missing in the figure? Now, you guys tell me. Is a triangle missing? Is a rectangle missing? Is a circle missing? Or is a square missing? Easy one. Which one is missing? I can see a triangle, so I think triangle is not missing. Okay, some are saying Abhishek Kumar, that is Arohi saying D, that a square is missing. Okay, Sugyani, but I think Sugyani is Swadhin says C, a circle is missing. Arya is saying C, a circle is missing. Arohi is saying D, a square is missing. What do you think? What is missing? Yes, Swadhin. Yes, C. Pavika says C, well done. Okay, Arohi is also coming back to C. So C, it is Lavanya says A, triangle is missing, but it's not saying which is there. Lavanya it's saying which is missing. So triangle is there, so it's not missing. So see, a triangle is here. I can see many triangles. See here, here, here. So triangle is there. So triangle is not missing. So I can see rectangles. Here is a rectangle. Here is a rectangle. Opposite sides equal, like an extended square. Okay, and a square is a four-sided figure with all sides equal. So I can also see a square. So what is missing? I think C, circle is missing. There is no circle in this image. Is there a circle in this image? No. It is not there. So I think a C circle is missing. Let's check. And indeed, the C circle is missing. Well done. Well done. Most of you guys got it correct. Okay. Well done. I think Lavanya had a bit of a confusion with the question. That's why. Otherwise, she also got it. Okay. The embedded question. So select a figure from the options which is exactly embedded in the figure as one of its parts. Tell me, guys. Now, embedded again, as you know, it means which exactly fits, isn't it? Which is exactly a figure which fits. Okay, Lavanya said circle now to the earlier question. Well done. Now, which of the following figure exactly fits in this figure or get exactly embedded? It is similar to the question we did earlier. Come on, guys, tell me. Arohi says C. Swadhin says C. Well done. Arya says C. Saina says C. Anybody else? So most of you are saying C. Does anybody have a different answer? Arohi said C again. Arya also says C. Saina also says C. Swadhan said C at the beginning. And Anukumari, I think, is Lavanya. She also says C. So let's check this C. Is it getting embedded? Because most of you guys are saying C. So this figure, like this, the C is getting formed here, I think. Isn't it? This is equal to this. This is similar to this, exactly same. So I think this is getting. If you check the other ones, I don't think any any other figure is getting exactly embedded. Is this getting? I don't think so. This getting embedded? I don't think so. So Pavika also says C. Amanya C. Arohi C. Saina C. Arya C. Swadhin C. So well done, guys. I think C should be the correct answer then because I also think it is C. C is indeed the correct answer. Well done. Well played. A big two thumbs up from me. All of you guys have been excellent this morning. Okay. So this question. So someone wants to draw a circle with the help of the given objects. Which of the following objects can she use? So she has to draw a circle with one of the following objects. Tell me, guys. So she has a book, a can, and a cap, a birthday cap. Which one of the following objects can she use? Can she use only P, that is a book, or P and Q, that is a book and a can, then a can and a birthday cap? Sorry, so the book and the birthday cap is third option. The fourth option is the can and the birthday cap, mean D option. So which one is the correct option? P is name of the book. Can one draw a circle by outlining a book or a rectangle? I think one can draw a rectangle, not a. So okay, Arya is saying D. Swadhan is also saying D. D means both a can and a birthday cap. Arohi is saying D. Lavanya is saying C. Both P and R. But P is a book, Lavanya. I don't think you can. Saina is saying D. Saina is saying D. Arohi is saying D. Swadhan is saying D. Arya is saying D. Lavanya is saying C. But C means book and a birthday cap. But you can draw a circle with a by outlining a can, isn't it? Tin, a can of a juice. You can outline it and form a circle, isn't it? So you guys tell me. Pavika also says D. I think because see, if you encircle, if you scribble a circle around this rounded surface of the can, you will be able to form a circle. And similarly for a birthday cap, you will be able to form a circle. But with a book, you won't be able to. So Q and R is D option. So I think D option should be correct. Let's check D option. Both Q and R, and both Q and R, D option is indeed correct. Well done, you guys. So I think you guys got the uh, the logic behind why I'm saying this. Okay. So well done. That is it from me. So well done this morning. I hope you had a good time. You got to learn something, and most of you were brilliant, I think, this morning, and you were getting every question correct one after another. So just have a great day now. Have a great Sunday. Enjoy, have your lunch, play, then study a bit, do your homework. Okay. See you again. See you again. Okay. Well done. Well done. Well done, all of you. Hope to see you soon.